Welcome to the Shortwave radio channel. So on this laptop right now, I'm listening to some snow removal crews. And the reason is, of course, we have a big snowstorm today. We already have a little more than a foot of snow that fell. So just to give you guys an idea of what it looks like, this is what it looks like right now. And give you an idea with the car just in front. Reminds me of the good old days of listening to shortwave. There's nothing about more special and interesting to listen to, different communications like the VHF, UHF comms right now. Listening to shortwave, especially when you have exotic stuff. In a snowstorm, it's kind of cool to just sit by the radio and have a good old time with the radio. So of course there's a Voice of America here once again that I made the video just before from Botswana. So kind of a mixed listening experience, especially when there's snowstorms. Part of it is listening to local communications on the scanner radios to hear a little bit of what's happening around the town, around Montreal. And there's part of it also, which is fun, is to listen to shortwave, try to find exotic signals. There's something about that's heartwarming about, listening in a snowstorm day.
Certain that everything does not go according to Putin's plans, in which he wants to do everything to make his negotiations bilateral between him and the United States of America. We, as a sovereign country, simply will not be able to accept any agreement without us. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky said on Thursday that his country would not accept any agreements on its fate reached by Moscow and Washington in its absence. Russia called for Europe to have a seat at the negotiating table at the end of the war. The defenseman shared by the European Union Foreign Policy Chief Kaja Kallas. Is it clear that any deals behind our back will not work? Any agreements were made also Ukraine and Europe and Italy, and it is clear that these negotiations always fail. Her comments came on the sidelines of the NATO defense ministers meeting in Brussels after U.S. President Trump and his administration indicated he was planning face-to-face talks with Russian President Vladimir Putin on ending